At Roof Worx, we handle both commercial roof repairs and replacements in Aurora, Colorado. Even though commercial roofs are built tough, they're still exposed to bad weather and vulnerable to damage. Even normal wear and tear and old age can weaken a roof over time. Many commercial roofs are flat, which means it's easier for water to pool or puddle on top. Eventually, water can break down the roof's membrane and lead to leaks. Commercial roofs are also at risk for wind and hail damage. If a commercial roof is only suffering from minor damage, repairs are usually the best solution. If flashing or trim is also damaged, it can be repaired too. Repairs are also a good option if the damage is only in a small area of the commercial roof. If the damage is severe and widespread, a full roof replacement may be necessary. A replacement allows experts to provide a strong and durable roof with professional installation to ensure it can withstand normal wear and tear as well as severe weather. If you're interested in commercial roofing repairs or roof replacement in Arapahoe, Douglas, and Adams counties, call Roof Worx at 303-353-1825 today.